So it's been a busy week launching A Dog Lover's Dream, which is now ready for sale. As you can see, Alfie is exhausted with it all. And I just want to say thanks to everyone who's already bought a copy. £1 of all my sales do go to the Dogs Trust, which is a worthy charity. I'd also like to thank my friends and family for all the support they've given me. And also a couple of special mentions. One is to Rich from Cutchwood, who's built the display behind me, along with a few smaller versions for local stockists. And also to Steve, who's built my website, igilda.com. There's lots more exciting stuff happening, so please keep watching what's going on. Thank you very much.